Hey everybody, today I'm going to be working on this ceramic bowl. I have some paints left over from a previous pour and I'm just going to use those on this bowl. This first color that I have is from FolkArt. It is aquamarine and it's a pearl finish. This one here that I have is FolkArt and it's antique copper. This one is also from FolkArt and it is champagne. And then my last one is from Decoart, and it is Americana Decor, and that is bronze. And these three colors are all metallic. And then, like I said, this one is a pearl finish. So it's all going to be shiny. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the paint in the cup, do a dirty pour. And these paints do have silicone in them, so we'll see what happens with that. I like this champagne color. It's really, really pretty. Well, all of these colors are really pretty. This aquamarine is so vibrant. I love it. And this one too, it looks like chocolate. Alright, so I'm going to move this, and I do have a canvas under here, you know, just in case. You never know what's going to happen. I am going to give it a little zhuzh. Just a little one, that's it. And then I'm just going to start pouring around the edge slowly. Okay, so I needed a little help moving that. It's set over there drying. So hopefully that will dry really nice. It looks pretty. I'll show you when I get done. I think I'm just going to take the rest of the paints and dump it right in the rest of this cup. Just see what happens. That's a lot of copper, or a lot of bronze, so I'm just going to leave that, some of that out of there. Okay, give it a little zhuzh. Put that right in the middle. I don't really know there's that much in there. Okay, there's a lot of bubbles happening right there. Get those popped. That looks pretty. Yeah, there's nothing. Nothing really in there. Didn't do nothing. Okay, so now just going to start moving it. Okay, there's something in there. Let's see right there. Yikes. I don't know what that was. A piece of paint. Probably because it was leftover paint. Had a little chunk in there. Alright, now it's a little too, sorry, I'm a little too high there. I really like how that looks. I think, try to, put the rest of this on here. All right. There we go. A little too high there for you guys, sorry. Okay, okay, so I'm just gonna go over it lightly with a torch. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in for the close-up. It's actually turned out really cool. There's lots of little cells all over. Alright, and then there's the bowl. actually looks pretty good so far. So we will see. There are a few like right there. I may have to touch that up because of the silicone. But it looks good. I think they'll be a nice matching set. Okay, so here they are. They're both done and sealed. I went ahead and put 3 coats of varnish on the painting, the canvas. It turned out really good. I also cleaned up the back and put brown paper on it, and I put a wire so it is ready to hang. And then the bowl, I put several light coats of sealer on it, and it also turned out really good. I'm just really happy with the way these both turned out. And now I have a set, and I am really, really happy. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.